Okay, here it is. It's finally here. The new Logitech, Saytech, whatever you want to call the company that builds it now. It's the X56 joystick. Here's the box. Now, we'll just open her up. And this is the new improved joystick. This isn't the old one. This one's a different color. It's gray instead of the blue. And as you'll see as I'm opening it on my face. Now, I got record. It's going now. So there. Okay, everybody, this is the Saytech joystick X56 out of the box. There it is, the brand new improved Logitech version. And now let's pull her out. Here's the throttle. Here's the stick. And here's the base for the stick. And here's the spare springs. So, as you can see in here, these add extra tension for the stick. If you find it too tight or too loose, you change these out. Okay, hit pause now. Okay, now here's everything out of the box. Here's the springs that you put in here for tightening up the tension. I don't know how to do that right now, so I'm going to do it later. But here's the throttle. As you can see, there was an issue with the throttle getting tighter and looser, some people were saying. I'm just doing a quick check of it. And it seems okay. Okay, now zoom in on these buttons. And what they haven't repaired though is, see these buttons here? They were loose on the last Saytech one. And these buttons, see how much that shifts? Get really close to it. No, don't zoom. Actually get close to it. Because zoom loses quality. See how much these buttons rock? This one too, it rocks back and forth. So they obviously didn't fix the tolerance on that. But anyways, I guess you can't have everything. Now here's me putting together the joystick. You put it on like this, and there's a screw thing here on the stick. And you screw it down. There we go. And it's tight. Now it's in. It's ready to go. That's pretty much it. And here's all the buttons. Here's the hat. All the hats up here. Your trigger right here. Your pinky button right here. Another pinky button right here, which is kind of cool. And you got all these toggles and switches on this. Maybe a volume button here, or brightness controlled by this, whatever you want to bind it to. And this is the unboxing. Oh, and if you have big hands, you want to raise up your throttle, you clip this on, and or small hands. My hands are pretty big, and I still would use it, I think. Actually, you know what? It gets in the way of this pinky button, though. That's one problem with it. They made it so that it gets in the way of this pinky button, but that's not a huge problem because I'd rather have my hand up. Actually, it really gets in the way of this pinky button, so I might not use that. I don't know. But, and there's unboxing. Here it is, the X56 Logitech version. And there it is on the box right there. Now, yeah, just show the box. Okay, now hit pause.